Ever felt like your crypto was a goldfish in a glass bowl? Everyone can see it, and you're just hoping it doesn't get eaten? That's the nagging feeling a lot of us have with traditional crypto wallets. So, you start looking. You stumble upon Beam Wallet. Privacy-focused, they say. Secure, they claim. But, is it actually a good crypto wallet? That's the question we're diving into today. Let's be real, the crypto space is a wild west. You need a wallet that's not just a digital piggy bank, but a fortress. And Beam Wallet definitely plays up that angle. It's built on the Mimblewimble protocol, which, in simple terms, means transactions are hidden. No sender, no receiver, no amounts publicly visible on the blockchain. That's a huge plus for anyone who values their privacy, and let's face it, we all should. But privacy isn't everything. User experience matters. Is it easy to use? Well, Beam Wallet offers both desktop and mobile versions, which is convenient. The interface is clean, intuitive, and getting started is pretty straightforward. You can send and receive Beam tokens, of course, and also swap them with other cryptocurrencies through their built-in decentralized exchange, or DEX. That's a nice feature to have right inside your wallet, cutting out the need to jump to external platforms. Now, let's talk about security. Beam Wallet is non-custodial, meaning you control your private keys. That's a fundamental security principle. They also emphasize the importance of seed phrases and encourage users to back them up securely. But, like any software, it's not immune to vulnerabilities. Staying updated with the latest versions and being cautious about where you download the wallet is crucial. One thing to consider is the ecosystem. Beam is a relatively niche project, so the number of supported coins and dApps is limited compared to giants like MetaMask. If you're looking for a wallet to interact with a wide range of DeFi applications, Beam Wallet might not be your primary choice. It's more focused on the core function of private transactions with its native token. And then there's the question of adoption. While the privacy features are appealing, wider adoption is still a work in progress. This can affect liquidity on the DEX and the overall usability of the wallet in certain contexts. So, is Beam Wallet a good crypto wallet? It depends on your priorities. If privacy is your top concern and you're primarily interested in transacting with Beam tokens, then it's a solid option. The user interface is clean, the security features are strong, and the integrated DEX is a convenient addition. But, if you need a wallet with extensive support for various cryptocurrencies and dApps, or if you are looking for the most popular and supported wallet, you might need to look elsewhere. With said, thanks for watching and until next time.